Hello and welcome to the QWeb Solutions blogging tutorial. In this tutorial we will show how to blog on your Sebenza Farms website. Firstly, we will log on to the website and we will be greeted with the dashboard page. Next, we will use a cursor to find the section titled Posts and we will select Add New. This will now take us to a new page where we are able to create a new post. In order to save time, I've already found a post and I'm ready to do it. First, we will add the title of the post. In this case, it will be the 30 best gardening tips of all time. Next, we actually need some tips to paste in the blog. To do this, we will select the text we want, use our mouse cursor to select the next text box and paste the text in there. Next, we will copy the title as we are going to be using that in the next step. Scrolling down to the SEO section, you can see there is a focus key phrase box. We will now paste the title of the blog in there. Continue scrolling down, we will see the snippet section. Click on the button that says Edit Snippet and you will see a slug box as well as a meta description. In the slug box, we will paste the title again, as well as the meta description. As you can see in the meta description box, there is a yellow bar that has appeared below the box, indicating whether the amount of text is too long, too short, or the correct amount. As you can see, the bar is orange, indicating there is too little or too much text. In order to fix this, we will scroll back up to our content and we will copy one of the tips. We will then scroll down and we will add that tip to the next section. As you can see, the bar is now turned orange, indicating that the text is too much. We will now remove some text and you can see it has gone to green. This is the preferred amount and is acceptable. Please note that the focus key phrase, slug and meta description is what Google will use to index your site within its search results. Once we are happy with the snippet, we will select Close Snippet Editor. Scrolling down, there is the layout settings. These you will not need to fiddle with as they are already set for your posts. Scrolling back up to the top, we will now select the document section. On the right hand side, we have the option to make the post public or to hide it from other viewers. We also have the option to publish the post immediately, backdate it, or schedule it for a future date. Next, we have the option of categories. Selecting categories and a new section will appear. As you can see, we currently have the categories Indigenous, New Plant, Plant, Staff and Uncategorized. For this tutorial, I will show you how to create a new category. We will select Add New Category and we will title the name of the category Tips. Next, if we want, we can choose a parent category. Once we are happy, we will select Add New Category and the category will already appear and be ticked. Scrolling down to the next section, we come to the tags. The tags are similar to what Google will use to index your post within its search results. For this example, we will do gardening tips. Using a comma, as you can see, it has now gone on to the next tag. We will do this gardening 101. And so forth. We would like to add as many tags that are relevant to the post as possible. Next, we will do the featured image. The featured image is the image that will be displayed when sharing the post with other users. Select Set Featured Image and a new window will appear. Here we have an option to either select an image from the media library, meaning the image is already stored on your website, or we are able to upload files from your computer. In this example, we will choose from the media library. We will now look for an image that depicts the post we are talking about. Once we have found a nice image, we will select the image and at the bottom right we will say Set Featured Image. As you can see, it has now loaded the featured image and is working correctly. Next, we will scroll back up to the top of the page and we will hit publish. There we go, we have successfully created your first blog on the Sebenza Farms website.